Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a good one for us. The unboxing of The Beast, which is the Beast from, let's see if I can get it without the glare, the Beauty and the Beast. Not sure if you can see that. This guy right here. And it's a diamond shaped round. 18 by 54, which is 46 centimeters by 137 centimeters. Let's see. Oops, sorry about that. There it is, so you can see it a little better. The Beast, and it is a beast. So I was so excited after it had came in the mail because I had to pre-order it because it's so popular. It is by Diamond Art Club. Okay, I did open it. Don't hate me, guys, but I did open it to take a look, and I was shocked. It is as tall as I am. If you need to see, I did a comparison with me standing up and holding it in front of me. That's on my Instagram, I believe, which is my name, just like you would type it in as looking for the video. But this is the unboxing, sort of. And kid up. I'm gonna kid it up a little bit. So we're gonna enjoy. Let's see. Here we go. Okay, so this is the canvas, of course, that was inside. Diamond Art Club. Do what makes you sparkle. And this is a big, big boy. Okay, so let's see here. My dogs want to start acting up as soon as they hear me start talking to myself. Okay, let's see what we got. So like I said, this one is as tall as I am, and I am 5'8". And here we go. Woo! It is long. This is his face. And let's see if I can keep it going. Keep it going. And it keeps going. And it keeps going. Oh. Alright. And let's see here. Alright. And it keeps going. And going. And here it is, the flower. So yes, it is a very, very tall diamond painting. And let's see here. This is the whole entire thing. And it is a beast. Yes. I do apologize. I'm sure you hear my dogs acting up in the background because they hear me talking, so they get excited. So we are going to kit up. And let's see. Okay. So one more time. I'm going to take the camera myself and hold it up. And she is very, or he, excuse me, is very, very long. Okay, so now I'm going to roll it up. Let's see. Wait. Before I do that, let's see here. There is 55 different colors. 55. Ooh, that's a lot. This will probably take me forever because I know my other ones that I did, the big ones from Diamond Art Club, took me a month, and then one took me like a month and a week. So this one is super huge. I'm sure it's going to take me forever. So let's see here. All right, move that out of the way. Move this out of the way. So what else do we have in the box? Okay. Lay it all out. Lay it all out. And you have your sticker of what it is. And your little stickers for you to kit up with, so you know what your different diamond colors and all are. And of course, the other sticker to put on the side of whatever you need if you don't want to hang it or whatnot. Please hang on. I don't understand why they want to act it up. Okay, so you get your instruction booklet, and you have your baggie, and inside the bag is your diamond painting pen, your tray, your little doohickey rubber piece for your fingers so it doesn't hurt, and your little multi-tool placer, which you just attach like this on the end. But first you put your little rubber piece on, but there, that's how that goes. Then I have in here the baggies to put your extra diamonds in, and there's a lot in this one, of course. And then you have your 2 waxes. And they are heart-shaped. Oh. So put all this back in here. Alright. And then you have your diamonds, of course. That is a big old pack. Look at that. Bunch of reds, like yellow, gold, of course your black. That is a lot. Okay. So like I said, you always get one of these, and inside it has a code, discount code for you to use to buy your next one if you want to buy it. And it also has instructions. That's what this is, a little instruction pamphlet on how to kit up, you know, and all about it. How to pick your diamonds up, all that good stuff. So we'll go ahead and start labeling and kitting some of this up. That's a nice case here. It was given to me. All right. Let's see here. What did I say? How many? 55 colors. Woo! That's a lot. Okay. So hopefully my dogs will be quiet so I can do this. So we have 2 blacks. Oh, we have way more than 2. Wow. So this one is $150. Where is my scissors? Here it is. Okay. So, let's see here. 150, where's my little paper? So, 150. 150 right here. So then you're gonna look for your number and then peel it off with Diamond Art Club. You can do that. They make it simple for you. Put that on your lid like that. And let's see here. I usually just cut the corner. And take your little capsule. Dump them in. As much as it'll hold. This is a really big one, so this is probably going to take 2 each. Yeah, this is filling up quick. Alright. Okay. So that, and then I just going to set this back here because I'll put that in one of those little baggies. It made me a little mess. By it. Should put your tray down, so I think I would learn. Okay. Open this back up. So, we have our first one done. Now this one is number 600. So, let's see here. 600. Right here. And let's see here. I already have one. We'll do it easier this time. Or you can also pour it in your little thing here and then pour it in here. Probably be easier, way easier. But you know, I like to be complicated with everything I do, so. Cut that like that. And ooh, I see there's a little yellow. Okay, so this bag will all fit into this one. So that's awesome. So that whole thing fit in there. Lost one. There we go. Okay, so now we have number 600 is 23. So that's another one down. The blacks I only do one bag at a time. Okay. So it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wow, 6, 7, 8. 8 bags of just plain old blacks. Wow. That's crazy. 8 bags of black. We'll set them to the back. Okay, so we have number 819. So get another one. These are little guys. Find our paper here. Find number 819. There she is, right here. Like that. On the lid. And cut her open. Come on. Come on, fellas. Okay, and then we had 2 or 3. Dump it in there like that. Alright. Now that color is done. Now we lost one. Got a straggler, but it's okay. It'll be okay. Because they give you plenty. Okay, let's see which one is next. We have 905. The lid off. And we need to find 905 right here. Place that on the lid like that. And cut her open. Come on, guys. Come on out. Alright. I am not a professional at any means. I'm just the average Joe. I figured I would do this today. It's raining out and not very pretty at all. So why not? Get her done. And then we have that one, 905. Is complete. Okay, so what one is next? What we got here? We have 414. That down, get the little cap going. 414. Find that one right here. Peel that off. Where's my lid? There it is. Put it on like that. This one kind of spilled out. Yeah, it's a lot easier. Just go ahead and do it this way. Oops. Sorry about that. Pour it in the tray. And then pour it into your jar. Alright. And done. Okay. That one is done. Let's see what's next. We have 317. Jar. 317. Okay. 317 is done. got all these little baggies. 318. Let's see. 318 right here. And on the lid. 318. Come on. So if you have any comments, suggestions, how do you do yours? If you do, leave them in the comment section below, and I will definitely get back to you. You can give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, either one is fine. Subscribe if you like what you see. You don't have to, but I'd like you to. So let's see, this one is a pretty color. It's like a blue. Okay, so this one is 3846. Let's get one of these. 3846. I probably will be doing a lot more videos on this one because it's so big. It's going to take me forever between working and busy home life. These are really fun to do if you've never done one. You can order them through Diamond Art Club website. There's plenty of websites you can order diamond paintings through Amazon. All kinds. It's everywhere on the internet. Of course, you can also buy them in Joann Fabrics. You can buy them at, oh, what is it called? I'm trying to think of what it's called. Oh, what's it called? Oh, I forgot. I want to say Home Goods. It's not Home Goods. It is... this one is $9.95. Let's see. I don't know. For some reason, my brain doesn't want to think right now. So we need $9.95. Basically any craft store. This will probably be my last one because my dogs want to act up and not be quiet and sleep like they were because they hear me talking. So this will be my last one for this. Still can't think of what the name of the store is called. Hobby Lobby, that's what it is. That's my favorite place. I think that's every woman's just about favorite place. Hobby Lobby, good old Hobby Lobby. That's where I started. That's where I went and got my first 2 diamond paintings. It was Hobby Lobby, and I believe it's like every other week they have them on sale, 40% off. So that's pretty cool. I want to go back there and get me a paint by numbers kit and do that. And of course I will film that. But I have a long way to go. All these need to be kitted up. But I will be back at another time with a progress video. And hopefully my dogs will cooperate. And like I said, if you have any comments, suggestions, I'm open to anything. Come back and leave a comment, like, dislike, whichever you would like to do. Alright, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.